Hey, this will be a video chart on WAVX, Wave Systems Corporation. I think it's been about 3 or 4 months since the last time I did this, but it is one that I still do track, and today it's made another one of its classic just huge moves on awesome volume. So it definitely needs to be updated. It actually made a pretty significant move today. Not only getting above and closing above this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, but broke out of a chart pattern. And there's nothing better than seeing price break out of a pattern with very nice volume. It's one thing if a price breaks out and then you look at volume and it's pretty so-so. That's not too confidence inspiring. But when you have a breakout with this sort of volume, it really makes things look good. So what I'm going to do here is just map out where this pattern is coming from, and that just starts with simply drawing this uptrend line here. So this part of the pattern is our support. And then for the next part, I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit. And this is kind of an abstract one, but what we had is an ascending triangle, meaning that as time went on, the price was ascending, but because it kept hitting its head on a area of resistance, that is the top portion of the pattern. So if you look here, back during the summer, this level acted as support multiple times. And then when it fell, just basic technical analysis, when supports fall, they become resistances, so it became a resistance, and then came up here, knocked back down, and then here is where the price approached it. However, this time there was no knocking down. The price just absolutely demolished this resistance level, which is right about the 290 level, give or take. Maybe you could say 291, 290. Bottom line, this line here was a key level of resistance, but it was broken today. So this is now turned into a level of support, and this is going to be the new level that ideally you want to see the bulls be able to hold. Now, best case scenario, so I'm going to zoom back in, but just remember that's where this upper portion of it came from. Now, if you were to ask me what would be best case I would say would be to hold above this orange line here. That would be make the chart look the best. But if it can hold, then there is this former resistance portion of the pattern that you want to see the bulls hold above. And the question really now becomes, is this a sustainable breakout move? And the great things about chart is it makes that question very easy to answer, and all you have to do is simply watch this area of support. If this breakout is going to be sustainable, then this level here should have no problem holding. If it's not going to be sustainable, this level won't hold, and I'm not saying the whole thing is going to collapse, but the breakout will fall back down and probably go into another consolidation mode. But if there's still a lot more gas left in the tank, then this level shouldn't have any problem holding. So those are going to be the two key support areas once more. Ideally, and best case would be this orange line. But at the end of the day, if this breakout move is going to keep on rumbling and rolling, you're going to want to see this support level there hold. Now, in terms of resistance levels, the next resistance isn't until up here at this level, which I'm not sure what that is. Let me check that out. Right around the 335 area, and this is simply coming from seeing that it was resistance quite a few times back here. The price tried to get above it, but it couldn't quite do it. So this is the current level of resistance that hopefully the bulls will be able to get through. But until then, it's pretty much clear sailing up until that level up there. So congratulations to everybody once again. Just a great move, great volume, and the rest of this week will be very interesting to see if this breakout move is going to be sustainable or not. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together with our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was WAVX. Thanks for listening.